Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. This is Boss Vision, where I share with you all everything you need to know about making candles. And I make videos about making candles and how to earn money making candles. If you're interested in that sort of content, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. I also have an interactive workbook that will give you actionable steps with specific links to receive business funding and take your candle sales to the next level. I sell my own products on my website, senseofvision.com. You can use code YouTube for 20% off. In today's video, I'm so excited to be sharing with you all a step-by-step wick testing using Makesy's brand new cotton wig sample kit. This will be my first time trying out their cotton wigs, and I'll be showing you all step by step how I do it so that you can see how well they perform before you buy. If you like step-by-step tutorials, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think of each wig, and if you stay until the end, I will be sharing with you all exactly how well they perform. First, we'll start with melting down the wax. I use coconut apricot cream wax from Makesy. This luxurious coconut apricot cream is a container wax that has a vegan blend with all natural apricot, coconut, soy, and the smallest, most minuscule amount of highly refined food grade paraffin. It is really the best wax I've ever experienced because I always get a smooth top and I always get a hot throw within less than 3 days. Next, we are moving on to the jars. For today's video, we will be using the luxurious prism vessels from Makesy. They have this clear iridescent tint to them that offers such a beautiful aesthetic for any luxury candle line. First, I like to sanitize each vessel with some alcohol and a paper towel. We will be trying out the Performance Cotton Wick Sample Kit. It was only $9.95 and it comes with 7 sizes of wicks with 4 wicks in each. As you can see, the kit comes with this white cardboard box, and each of the wicks come in an individually wrapped package that's in sort of a parchment paper. And then as you can see, you also get this free rose gold wick trimmer. So if you all did not know, Makesy used to be called Wooden Wick Co. and they only had wooden wicks. And from there I had to outsource my wicks for their auras. So I'm super excited to see how these cotton wicks perform. After sanitizing each vessel, I am adding in 2 wicks using wick stickers that I purchased from Amazon. Next, I am making each candle individually using Gardenia tuberose fragrance mixed with berry vanilla fragrance. This is one of my custom recipes that offers such a warm, clean, inviting scent. Then I measured out 1.1 ounces of fragrance and poured 11 ounces of wax for a 10% fragrance load with all 7 candles. Here's how all of the candles came out after curing for a full 72 hours. I trimmed all the wicks and used a wick trimmer and lit the first 3 candles with the higher performance wick numbers for a full 10-hour burn. Because these wicks were so high, I decided to end the testing here, as I know that I will not be using either the 77, 85, or 91 wicks for these vessels. Next, we're moving on to the smaller wicks with the 4 remaining candles. I had a feeling that these would be better suited for the vessels, so I trimmed the wicks and burned these candles for over 24 hours to get a real depiction of their performance. Here's what the candles look like after just 2 hours. As you can see, they're performing much better than the larger ones, and at this point I was getting very excited. Here's what the candles look like at almost 8 hours. As you can see, each of the wicks have a full melt pool, and the 75 wicks are showing signs of sooting around the perimeter, so in my eyes, that would not be the strongest contender. Okay, 8 hours in. 8 hours. I mean, it seems like the 72. I would do the 72 or the 73. 70 is a little bit too low, and that's blazing. Seems like 72, 73. Let me know what y'all think. After letting them burn for a full 24 hours, I turned off the light so you all could see how well they performed. As you can see, there's still lots of wax in each candle after 24 hours, and the 70 is still burning very slowly. The 72 is at a medium rate. 73 is not too far behind, but the 75 is what we have to worry about. It's a little bit way too high. So this was a very fun experience. I learned more about their performance wicks. Honestly, I'm torn between the 72 and 73. Let me know what you all think in the comments below. As I mentioned before, I added fragrance to each of these, so my entire house was filled with such an amazing smell, guys, just for the full 24-hour wick testing. If you'd like to learn more about how to make candles, I've put a troubleshooting tips video link in the description. This was so much fun to film. If you did enjoy it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe so you don't miss out on any other candle making videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one.